Hello friends, in my earlier video I have explained what is big data, and in today's video I want to discuss about big data cases. Big data cases are big data use cases. So the question is, what are some of the cases that can be solved using big data? And question can be asked like, can you give some examples? So for example, there are some use cases that can be solved using big data. So let's see what are those use cases. So first use case is that we can give is an example of retail company. In retail company, we have often we have seen that there are some items, especially chocolates or the snacks item, which are actually placed on the table of the point of sale machine. So the retail company, they have a strategy of keeping those snacks item or the chocolates packet on the table of the point of sale machine, or the person who is actually taking the cash or payment, is because just to increase the sale for customers with small children, because it will actually attract those section of customer. So what happens if the customers buy the product which are at the point of sale counter or the payment counter, cash counter, it actually assign the guest ID number to every customer. And what big data will do, actually, they will actually correlate this guest ID number with the customer's credit card or debit card and the transaction. And this way big data solve this use case. The next use case is car rental company. We have seen there are many car rental company, and they want to measure the busiest month of the year or busiest time of the year to ensure that there are sufficient number of cars are available in their inventory. So in this way they can actually use the big data, so that they will be rest assured that certain type of car is actually available or suitable for a particular area or particular town or particular city in that particular time of the year, so that they can increase the business. So this is how big data solve these use cases. The next use case is public school. In a public school, we see that the public school actually they can pull the data from multiple districts school to check that how the remote classes will be in certain districts, in certain area. So this is how they can use the big data to actually analyze that from the data pulled from multiple schools, district schools, how the remote classes will actually function. So this is one of the use case. The next use case that we can give is IT security team. IT security team actually they actually work on many data sets containing the different types of logs, for example firewall logs, DNS logs, access logs, different types of logs, just to hunt down or just to hunt the malicious code or malicious behavior or malicious actor in the network. So this is how big data can be used in this use case. The next use case is online store. Online store can be, for example, Amazon or Walmart or Best Buy. What this online store will do is they will actually use the traffic to determine the peak time for posting ad or giving some offers, giving some discounts. So in order to do this, posting the ads, giving some discounts, giving some offers, or they will give some reduce the price. So just to determine this, the peak time or the best time to provide these services, they will use the big data for these use cases. So these are some of the use cases that you can give as an example when someone is actually asking you that give me some use cases that can be solved using big data. So this is how you have to answer when somebody is asking you. I hope this video actually useful for your career. If you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get notification of new video. Thank you for watching.